so that we know that primary oocyte is get arrested in diplotin stage of prophase 1. So firstly it is surrounded by G, that is what we call granulosa cell, and another cells are T, that is theca cell. At puberty, what happened? There is activation of hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis. Shortly, hypothalamus pituitary ovarian axis. So from hypothalamus, there would be secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone in pulsatile manner, which act on anterior pituitary and which will release FSH. So let's start our mnemonic. So there is first mnemonic is GF. GF. Here we see G means granulosa cell and T means theca cells. So GF. So FSH will act on granulosa cell. So first mnemonic is GF. Our second mnemonic is gas. Our second mnemonic is gas. So FSH act on granulosa cell and it will secrete estrogen. S means estrogen. Okay. Then our third mnemonic is L classico. EL classico. So estrogen will secrete LH. Now, what is another function of this estrogen? So we can remember by only E. Estrogen will cause endometrium hyperplasia. So excessive estrogen can cause endometrial cancer or endometrial hyperplasia. Our next mnemonic, fourth mnemonic is LPG. LPG. So this LH will also act on granulosa cell and secrete progesterone. So it is LPG. Now what is the function of progesterone? It will stimulate both FSH and LH. So the level of progesterone increases just 36 to 37 hours before ovulation. That's why we found FSH and LH both surge before ovulation. Okay. Now our next mnemonic is thick land. As we see, theca cell, Th means and L and ND. So LH will act on theca cell and secrete androgen. Okay. So now let's make it simple. We have two types of cells. Firstly, as we see, inner granulosa and outer theca cells. So androgen is made in theca cells. Now let's make another mnemonic, then we back to this topic. एंड्रोजन यानी कि आप याद रख सकते हो अंडा. एंड्रोजन यानी कि आप याद रख सकते हो अंडा. अंडा में से घुसा एक एरो यानी कि एरोमेटेज एंजाइम और वो गया एस में. सो इससे आप याद रख सकते हो ईस्ट्रोजन, और इसको आप हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? जी. समझ ही गए होंगे. सो दिस प्रोसेस, एंटायर प्रोसेस हैपेंड इन granulosa cell because aromatase enzyme is present in granulosa cell. So androgen which is formed in theca cell goes to granulosa cell, and with the help of aromatase enzyme it will be converted into estrogen. It will mainly here E2. Okay. Another enzyme which is formed within the theca cell, that is what we call as androstenedione. It will be converted into E1 with the same enzyme called as aromatase. So let's revise our mnemonic. First mnemonic is GF, means granulosa cell act by FSH. It will produce gas, means granulosa cell with the help of FSH stimulation it will produce estrogen. Excessive estrogen can cause endometrial hyperplasia, endometrial carcinoma. Next mnemonic L classico, estrogen will produce LH. LH surge that what we found at the time of ovulation. It is happened because of estrogen, and value 200 picogram, rising 200 picogram of estrogen at least for 48 hours, which will lead to LH surge. Now next mnemonic is LPG. So LH act on granulosa cell and it will produce progesterone. So we have to remember that the granulosa cell contain both receptor, firstly FSH receptor and secondly LH receptor, when Theca cell contain only LH receptor. So next and last mnemonic is thick land. So Theca cell act by L. L means what? LH, and end means what? Androgen. And our last technique is that what? Our last technique is that and anda yani ki androgen it will be pierced by arrow means what? Aromatase, and it will enter into S means what? Estrogen. So anda, arrow, estrogen yani ki androgen produced in theca cell, it will be act by aromatase in which cell? In granulosa cell, and produce estrogen. Okay, I hope it will make you help. Thank you.